Welcome to our channel. Today we how to create a Kanban app with Trello automations. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. Open Trello and log into your account. Select the board where you want to create your Kanban app. Click on the Show Menu button on the right side of the screen. Choose Automation from the menu options. Select Create Board button to start setting up your automation. Enter a name for your button that reflects its purpose. Choose the action you want to automate, such as adding a card or moving a card. Specify any details related to the action, like which list the card should go to. Click Save to finalize the creation of your button. Now, go back to the Automation menu and select Rules to create an automation rule. Click Create Rule to begin setting the conditions for your automation. Set the trigger for your rule, such as when a card is moved to a specific list. Add conditions if necessary, like ensuring the card contains certain labels. Define the actions that should be taken once the trigger occurs. For example, you might want to assign the card to a team member or send a notification. After defining the actions, click Save to activate your rule. Return to your board to see your new Kanban app in action. Test the automation by moving a card or using the board button. Monitor the results to ensure everything functions as expected. Adjust your automations as needed to optimize your Kanban workflow. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested content. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.